Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix reboot and select proper boot device error on your Windows. So guys, when you start your Windows, sometime you face this error, reboot and select proper device error. So how to fix it? In this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So let's start the video. So guys, open your system BIOS. Go to your system BIOS and after that guys, click here BIOS tab and select here boot option, first boot option as Windows Boot Manager. Just change this setting only. Okay. Second your HDD hard disk. Okay. And third is Realtek. Now save this setting. Save and exit setup. Click here and click here save. Your Windows will restart. And after restart, you check your problem. So guys, our problem get fixed here. Okay, so guys, if you like this video and your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.